Have you ever wondered which tool is better for automating tasks? Today we're comparing Google ADK and N8N. Both of these tools help you connect different apps and automate workflows. They save you time and make your life easier, but they do it in different ways. Let's start with Google ADK. This tool is part of Google's ecosystem. It lets you create custom apps that work with Google services. You can build apps for tasks like data collection or project management. It's user friendly and integrates well with other Google products. Now, let's look at N8N. This is an open source workflow automation tool. It allows you to connect various services and create complex workflows without coding. N8N is flexible and supports many apps. You can even self-host it if you want more control. So, what are the main differences? Google ADK is great for those who work mainly within Google's environment. It's perfect for users who want to create apps quickly with familiar tools. N8N, on the other hand, is better for those who need to connect multiple apps and create advanced workflows. It gives you more flexibility and customization options. When it comes to features, Google ADK focuses on Google services. It's easy to use and has a simple interface. N8N offers a wider range of integrations and more complex automation capabilities. In terms of pricing, Google ADK is generally free for basic use. N8N has a free version, but advanced features may come with a cost. So, which one should you choose? If you are deeply embedded in Google's ecosystem, go for Google ADK. If you need more flexibility and want to connect various apps, N8N is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this.